Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a freight train coming. Let's roll it and check it out. This is the train channel. We finally got some camcord versions because we have not have a camcord version on the train expert chat or anywhere or on the train channel since I think my phone said it's almost 3 weeks or so, 2 to 3 weeks without a camcord version at all. We had a tanker train to begin with, and now we got a freight train heading to the single track now. We're gonna be live. Or for the horn first. We're gonna be live streaming at 12 noon and 7:30 or 7:45 today, right here on the train channel. We just been getting nothing but trainless videos since we've been getting nothing but trainless videos since Christmas break. So, Summerlin, that's the OC&T, the 42M, that train originated to Titusville, Pennsylvania, or to Rossville, Pennsylvania. We were in there today. Heads north to Titusville, Pennsylvania. We're at right now on this Thursday, January the 23rd, 2025, from Jeffrey the Train Channels on YouTube. Hopefully we'll have the Train Expert channel really soon, because I don't know how soon we're going to have it back, though. So, alright, that's going to be it. We'll be back on when this light powered train comes by. Talk to you later.